GST practically. So I've created a company with the name him GST, and the first thing that I will have to do is to activate the GST features. In order to do that, I need to go to F11. So first I'm pressing F11, then F3 for the taxation related features, and the first option is GST. So it's coming no, enable goods and service taxes, you may see. So you need to press Y and enter, so it will convert into yes. Then set alter GST detail, it is coming no, so you will have to convert this into yes. Now here the state is coming Uttar Pradesh, which is the state of the company where it is operating. Registration types are of two, which is regular, which is monthly basis if you are going to fill the GST, or composition basis if you are going to do it quarterly. So I am keeping it regular. Keep it no. GST number you will have to give here, that's an 15-digit alphanumeric, which is comprises of your PAN number or the company PAN number also. So I am giving any number, that's it. It will show an invalid GSTN message, but you may go ahead with this. Then GSTR1, look, when you are going for a registration type, it is coming regular and composition. Here GSTR 3B is one thing which you will have to fill monthly, and then there is again GSTR1. In most of the cases it is quarterly. However, if you are going for monthly basis, you may select monthly also, but I am selecting quarterly.